Welcome to part 2 of the L.U.C. Chopard restoration in this 3-episode series. In today's video, I perform a detailed cleaning of the movement, including the disassembly of the balance wheel and several springs. I will then show the cleaning process using an ultrasonic cleaner with the L.U.C 9:1 solution. Finally, I'll demonstrate a very simple technique to clean the silver case that you can easily do at home. Stick around until the end to see the final results and how I prepare all the parts for reassembly. You can find links to the other episodes in the description below. If you enjoy this type of content, please support the channel by liking the video and leaving a comment. Using a sharpened pegwood, I carefully remove any dried oil residues and debris from the wheels, the jewels, and the barrel arbor holes. Before placing the parts in the L.U.C 9:1 solution, I pre-washed all components with a solvent. In this case, I used propanol to soften and loosen all dirt and oil residues. After finishing the ultrasonic cleaning, I rinse the parts in distilled water and once more in propanol. I then use a heat dryer for a faster and spot-free drying process. To clean the silver case, I'm using a simple deoxidation method. I soak the case in a solution of hot water and salt for about 10 minutes. This helps loosen the tarnish without using harsh chemicals. Afterward, I use a rotary tool, drill, with a felt attachment and L.U.C polishing compound to bring back the original mirror-like shine to the silver. I'm replacing the acrylic crystal that was on the watch with a mineral glass. I personally prefer the finish and durability of mineral glass for pocket watches, as it preserves the authenticity and visual clarity that a timepiece of this caliber deserves. Thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to check out the other 2 parts of this restoration and leave your feedback in the comments to help support the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.